Breaking news! A new major release of DaVinci Developer Adaptive just dropped. It not only supports AUTOSAR version 24.11, but is packed with fresh features and cleaner interfaces. Hi, my name is Harald, and I'm excited to give you a sneak peek at our latest release, DaVinci Developer Adaptive version 3.1. We pushed Developer Adaptive forward from AUTOSAR 2011 to support the 24.11 configuration model. If your embedded stack is 24.11 ready, like Microsar Adaptive Release 12, get a new DaVinci Developer Adaptive from the Vector Download Center. There, you will also find the DaVinci Project Migration Tool version 2. It will help you to, of course, migrate your projects. With version 3, we took the opportunity to bring DaVinci Developer Adaptive CLI to the next level of modern CLI tools. Commands and options are clearer and written in kebab case. In general, we are working towards establishing more consistent standards across all DaVinci CLI tools. The Log&Trace configuration has changed in AUTOSAR 24.11, and we are doing our best to keep it as simple and understandable as possible. Use the machine editor to configure your logging needs. Within the logging section of a machine, you can create and configure a Log&Trace module instantiation. Further process-specific logging configuration can be done in each process within the Logging tab. No matter if you stay on the version 2 track of DaVinci Developer Adaptive or migrating to version 3, you can use the tool itself to provide feedback. It's right there at the bottom and in the help menu. We really want to know what you think about our features and how we can help you in your daily work. Thank you. You might have missed some great features in the past. We have a whole playlist with all DaVinci Developer Adaptive videos. Browse around, subscribe to the Vector Tech tutorial channel and turn on notifications so you won't miss our next video about the latest highlights.